Have you ever watched a bad movie because you've already sat through the first half? Or maybe you've stomached down one more item at that all-you-can-eat buffet because you wanted to get your money's worth. And surely you've been through something unpleasant after telling yourself, I've put too much into this to stop now. You're probably a victim of the sunk cost fallacy. A sunk cost is something that you've spent that you can't get back, be it time, money, or any other resource. So the sunk cost fallacy is thinking that something that you do now or in the future will recover your sunk cost. People make this mistake all the time. We don't want to admit failure or waste our investment. Since we can't recover our sunk cost, we shouldn't let them influence our decisions. Only the future costs and benefits matter. Sunk costs are irrelevant. So if you hate the movie you're watching, stop watching it. There's something else you can do with your time that might make you happy. If you're at an all-you-can-eat buffet and you're already crazy full, don't eat something else. Your money's already gone, and you'll be happier by not overdoing it. If you've paid $100 to enter a marathon, but you get injured while you're training, then you shouldn't run the marathon and risk worse injury. The $100 is irrelevant, as is your past training. What you need to do is get healed. Think about the benefits and the cost in the future, not the cost and investment that you've already incurred in the past. Now, these situations can be a little more complicated. For example, leaving a bad movie early might embarrass you if you're watching with friends. That's a cost that would be incurred in the future that you should consider in your decision. You shouldn't think about the movie's rental or ticket price because that's a sunk cost. The only thing you need to care about is the future cost and the future benefit of staying or leaving. What other examples of sunk costs can you think of? From now on, I hope you can avoid falling victim to the sunk cost fallacy. Cheers.